In this video tutorial, we're given this question. Here are the first four terms of a quadratic sequence: -2, 7, 22, 43. The sequence has the formula x sub n equals an squared plus b. Find the value of a and the value of b. Now, the first step is we'll write out the quadratic sequence. Okay, so we'll try to find the first difference. This is the first difference, 7 minus 2. Okay, so that gives us 9. Likewise, we'll do 22 minus 7. That will give us 15. Okay, then we'll do 43 minus 22. Okay, that gives us 21. Okay, after that, we'll continue with the second difference. That will be 15 minus 9. That will give us 6. Okay, then we do 21 minus 15. Of course, this will also give us 6. Okay, so since the second difference is constant, that shows it's a quadratic sequence. Okay, now for this first value, we'll take it as 2a. Okay, we'll let 2a equals to this 6. For this first value here, we'll take it as 3a plus b equals this 9. Now for the first value here, okay, we take it as a plus b plus c equals to what? Minus 2. From what we have here, 2a is equal to 6, so that a equals to what? 6 divided by 2, which is what? 3. Okay, now for the second one, we have 3a plus b equals 9. So for the second one here, we have 3a plus b equals 9, knowing fully well that the value of a is 3. So substitute the value of a equals 3 into this. So 3 multiplied by 3 plus b equals to 9. So that 3 times 3 is 9. 9 plus b equals to 9. If you collect like terms, b is equals to 9 minus 9. So that the value of b equals to what? 0. Okay, so here a is 3, b is 0. So let's go ahead to solve for the third. So a plus b plus c equals to what? Minus 2, right? So substitute the value of a and b so that we can solve for unknown c. So here a is equals to 3 plus b is 0 plus c equals to what? Negative 2. Can you see that? So here collect like terms, so that c equals to what? Negative 2, negative 3. So the value of c will give us negative what? Negative 5. So that's our a, b, and what? And c. Now if we assume that the n term t sub n equals an squared plus bn plus c. Okay, by the time you substitute the value of a, b, and c here a is 3, so 3 times n squared will give us 3n squared. B is 0, 0 times n is 0, plus, now what's our c? C is negative 5. Now plus times negative 5 will give us what? Minus 5. But we're given the n term here to be x of n equals to an squared plus b. Okay, now if I should write it underneath, so that means x of n equals to an squared plus b. Let me call this asterisk. then this asterisk. Okay, now if you compare the two equations, right, you observe that the value of a, okay, is equals to what, 3, right, while the value of b equals to what, negative 5. So that is what the solution to this problem.